Hello, and welcome back to Coin Lady channel. In the near future, you will see the greatest bull run in the history of cryptocurrencies. A lot of people are losing hope, and I'm here to tell you that even if we go down one more time, the bull run is not cancelled in 2024 or 2025, nor are the golden years. The rise is expected to begin in November. Remember in yesterday's videos, for those of you who tuned in, September is usually a pretty bad month for crypto. The last 6 months in cryptocurrency. In the month of September it has been red, it has been bloody. Do we expect that this September time is going to tell? Because tomorrow, September 1st, let's see how the markets are going to play out. But that need not determine our course into the future, which is only a breath away. In this video, we'll discuss where Bitcoin is headed in the near future, what you need to know about the Evernote airdrop before today's deadline, and we'll go over the exchanges that are supporting it. Since there is speculation, we will discuss Coinbase and XRP. Look at it as a hearsay now. I believe this to be accurate, although Coinbase is ahead of the pack in terms of XRP and on-demand liquidity. We will discuss automated market makers, and I will leave you with a tweet that I hope will lift your spirits and remind you that the upcoming bull run is getting closer every day. The value of XRP will increase dramatically. So, let's not waste any more time and start a Bitcoin exchange. $27,271, it has dropped by 6% since yesterday. The price of the theory has increased by $1,709 in the last 24 hours. It has increased by 9.73% in the past 24 hours, with USDT and USDC at 99 cents and XRP at a lean 52 cents, respectively. Presently, it's down 1.01%. Market cap for all cryptocurrencies as of the previous day was $1,093,080,000,000. Over 1,500 people have watched this in less than 12 hours, so there's no excuse for you not to. Tokens for TVN have been discussed and are on the way. Advisor for his project has announced that the pre-sale will begin on September 4th. I believe wholeheartedly that the TDN token, along with a TD and marketplace, will make it possible for various meta vocabularies and blockchains to communicate with one another. Corium ascends the TD and token will have significant utility because of the XRP Ledger Watch chain, which is based on Ethereum. The listing on a major exchange is scheduled for the fourth quarter of this year. One of the biggest market makers is in talks to invest up to $25 million in the launch, so if you want in, you better show up. There will soon be a movie heist with Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. Right here, he tells you, crypto is leading the session with happy grayscale emotions, but the market is expecting a sharp decline. Whenever this occurs, pain usually follows. The CME Gap of 21K is still a target. Closer since March 2023, having previously suggested it but not putting all of one's eggs in one basket. I jumped to 34,048K because it's typical, but the real question is whether or not the number will hit 30 or fall short by 48,000. This leaves him talking to an unbridged CME Gap. You can see that it's about in the $20,000 range. This isn't an exact science. It can be open if you like. However, what we find over and over again throughout history is that the CME holes are eventually addressed, that they are eventually filled. As I've mentioned on this channel, Bitcoin may have another downward push, sending its value down to the $20,000 zone. What impact does this have on XRP? It will destroy that as well. When I get the chart out, there may be one less insane, crazy dive in the market before we move back up, so listen closely. Don't be nervous. You should do 2 things consistently, and that is to stay on this channel. You also need to determine your direction and your ultimate objectives. You know what you're capable of, and you either don't care at all, or whether it's $25 per week, $50 per week, or $500 per week, you get set and start accumulating some cash. You save your pennies, you don't eat out. You eat in, maybe skip a date night or 2, watch a free movie at home, stock up on what you can, and if there's a slight decrease, you buy it to help you DCA. It's literally that easy. Neither rocket scientists nor regular individuals or rocket science need apply. I know this isn't financial advice, but I want you to know that there is a bright future ahead of you. Every node's DVR token airdrop, it's coming, and you need to know what's going on. The photo is snapped early September in order to join, and I'm going to tell you about the 3 participating wallet/exchanges. Then I know BitTrue are taken into some wallet. You need only accumulate up to 50,000 XRP in XRP wallets. You can keep up to 50,000 XRP in your possession. There is no need to set a trust line in order to be eligible for the airdrop. Is Ledger gonna to support XRP and BitTrue? All you gotta do is hold 'em high. Unfortunately, I can't provide you a concrete or specific response. Keep your XRP in one of those 3 places if you value safety. Here's a Pulse announcement letting you know they'll be supporting the airdrop, which means that as of Friday, September 1st at 8 a.m. Universal Time Coordinated, any and all holders of XRP will be eligible to receive the Evernote airdrop. To ensure a fair and equal distribution, the EPR's token will be airdropped to XRP holders in proportion to the amount of XRP owned, up to a maximum value of 50,000 XRP tokens. The release date for Evernote airdrop is TBD. Bear with us. People that claim it's that easy, listen up. You may easily store up to 50,000 XRP in your Sunwell. It's as simple as making a new wallet and depositing a large number of $50,000 into it. There are no lines of trust. Keep in mind that people will test your trust if you ask. Hold, relax, and there's no need to calm them down. The news organization covering this story may be asked to cover similar, yet different, stories involving Coinbase and XRP. Since well over 8 months ago, on the 27th through the 30th, Coinbase got 20 to 60 million XRP from Ripple, clearly indicating a connection to Ripple's. There must be a good reason for Coinbase to get 20 to 60 million XRP. Don't think of this as a shopping trip. The amount of daily liquidity that Coinbase handles is readily apparent from a quick glance at CoinMarketCap or the exchange, and at $20 to $60 million, it's clear that they are gearing up for something big. However, the issue arises as to why you would want to when you can now send money to any user of a Coinbase account anywhere in the world using XRP or USDC, and it only takes a few minutes. The zero fee for sending to other Coinbase users and a normal on-chain network fee for sending outside of Coinbase make it possible to send and receive money almost instantly using cryptocurrencies that are optimized for cross-border transmission. The free Coinbase service for sending money abroad may soon be expanding again. Perhaps that's why they're pushing so hard to have us buy 20 to 60 million XRP before they let us use their automated market makers. The question then becomes how to automate a market maker that will eventually result in passive revenue. The Crypto Fundamentals have posted an article covering the topic, which you can read here. He comments on the function of algorithmic market makers and the liquidity of chains. He stresses the importance of liquidity, calling it one of the most significant parts of a market that is crucial in determining the price of an asset. Liquidity pools, which help introduce substantial or sufficient liquidity, play a critical role in decentralized finance. Panelists agreed that they are essential to the functioning of decentralized markets. AMMs, or automated market makers, for the purpose of trading and providing liquidity to decentralized exchanges that allow users to trade tokens. A liquidity pool is a pool of funds locked in a smart contract. Providers of liquidity deposit funds to liquidity pools to contribute to liquidity and receive a part of the pools through trading fees, without which liquidity pools would not exist. Please understand that the AMMs aren't just a sit back and relax technique, and that there is no assurance that you will earn a return of 3% if you invest in them. What it says is, while the income-generating approach appears enticing, most traders shy away from being liquidity providers because of the concept of impairment loss. When the token price deviates from your initial ratio, you have suffered an impairment loss because the value of the asset or liquidity pool has depreciated over time. Liquidity providers can use DIL as an automated dollar cost averaging approach by providing liquidity to an XRP stable pair, allowing them to accumulate more XRP despite price fluctuations and putting an end to the widespread worry that the price of XRP will either surge or plummet. He says that even with the XRP unit increase of 200%, the 600% the IL stays reasonable thanks to earned fees. As always, it is up to you to do your own study, but he showed that the IO is essentially nil as long as the relative price of the assets and the clean pool stays within a 50% range of the entry point. Here's what I'd like to say goodbye with. Bear with us, here comes the bull run. Rest easy for a moment. The price of XRP is about to go bananas this round. The goals of 350 to 450 have not changed regardless of whether we start the run now at 50 cents or experience a setback to the 20 to 30 cent range. I'll go into more detail about this in the future video. Before the cool down, pop buy target for a quick peek and $1.50. When XRP reaches $1.50, you'll know it's time to buy. Parabolic blast off top taking you anywhere from $14 to approximately $24 is on like never before if we can break out at the 450 range and move up to the $6 range. These parabolic explosions at the summit happen quickly and unexpectedly. Make sure you know what you're going to do during this bull market. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you later, bye.